Yesterday, I used a combination of TRIAX Ultimate Wash and Wax and TRIAX Pro Degreaser, and I made a foam cannon solution as you previously watched. And today I'm going to use TRIAX Cerasil. Now, I have used this before in a video and it got a lot of views, but this time I went straight across the board with TRIAX cleaning products. I did not hand wash it. All I did was spray the foam solution on the entire tractor. I let it sit for just a little bit to soak in and loosen up the grime and dirt, because this tractor was basically white with dust, pollen, and gunkum everywhere. It was barely red, if you can tell in the pictures before I started cleaning it. Anyway, today I'm going to use Cerasil made by TRIAX to polish it. I'm going to grab the camera. Hand washing, there's still some dark spots from, I guess, tree mold, sap, whatever. It really needs a good hand washing, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to use Cerasil and see what the results are. So let me grab the camera right quick and I'll give you a little close-up before I start putting Cerasil on there. This is the TRIAX Cerasil. It goes on very, very easy and wipes off even easier. But man, what a shine. And it lasted, I don't know when that video was that I took it. That's basically the last time this tractor has been washed and polished. I'll have to go back. It was like April, maybe a year ago. April or May. I don't think it was March last year, but it's been about a year. Anyway, let's get to it. So this is the finish that TRIAX Pro Degreaser and the Ultimate Wash and Wax did. It did an excellent job because it's red and shiny and pretty glossy, as is. All I did was spray it on, let it soak, and I sprayed it off with a low pressure. My pressure washer is not high pressure. It's about anywhere from 1300 to 1600 psi, so it's on the low end of the spectrum. But it did a great job. The reason I used the degreaser, the TRIAX Pro Degreaser, was to thin the Ultimate Wash and Wax down a little bit so it would make a foam solution. So I basically used the 80-20 mixture, 80% Ultimate Wash and Wax and a 20% mixture of TRIAX Pro Degreaser. And that's it. No hand washing. I just let it soak, sprayed it off. So that's what it looks like before the Cerasil. And let's apply the TRIAX Cerasil now. I've got a fine mist and a wide spray pattern. I'm just going to spray down the top real good. And this stuff smells delicious. It smells edible. It's like bananas or something. Pineapple. Whatever it is, it smells delicious. So if you're going to polish your tractor or ride, don't start this project hungry, because you'll be hungry when you get finished. So I've got a plain old microfiber cloth to wipe this down, and I'm just going to gently spread this around like this in a circular motion. I'm just gonna video doing the top of the hood. I'm sure you don't want to be bored to death with Cerakoting this whole tractor. I don't know, maybe you will. Maybe somebody will, I don't know. But just for demonstration purposes, I'm just gonna wipe the top of the hood down with Cerasil from TRIAX. I know it does a great job. You ought to go check out that old video from about a year ago. I think the thumbnail has a before and after picture, and this thumbnail is going to be similar. Go back there and check that video out. I'm doing this in real time. I'm not going to stop the camera, and some people have some doubts about what went on when the camera was turned off. I'm just going to let the camera roll. This TRIAX Cerasil does not create a glaze. It just dries out. And it's ready to wipe off right now. So I'm going to start up here at the front. Man alive. It's amazing how shiny and so quick this Cerasil works. And it's effortless. It's almost like just rubbing the rag on the tractor once and then waiting about a minute and coming back and wiping it again. That's as simple as it is. Honest to goodness, that's it. But man, what a shine. This makes me happy every time I use Cerasil on something, because it's just amazing. I don't know, hopefully the camera can catch this difference, but it has instantly turned into a mirror finish. Now, I'm not trying to sell you this stuff. I'm demonstrating it because I like it. I bought it and I like it. I didn't mean to get in front of the camera like that, but I did, didn't I? But boys and girls, I'm telling you, this makes it slicker than an owl snot on frozen Teflon. And baby, that is slick. Let me grab this camera, give you another close-up. I sure hope the camera shows the difference, but it basically turned it into a mirror finish. You see the reflection in the sky and the trees? Awesome. So this is the TRIAX Cerasil hard shell coating. Spray on, pause, and polish it off. It's just that easy. This comes in 23-ounce spray bottles, which is convenient. I wish they had the gallon in stock right now, or I would buy the gallon as much as I go through this stuff. This is the TRIAX Pro Degreaser. I have used this alone when when I degreased the rear end of this tractor. I had a hydraulic leak, and you know what happens when hydraulic fluid gets on stuff and dust starts flying? Well, you got a genuine certified mess is what you end up with. Layers upon layers of dirt and dust. And I used this in a pump-up sprayer, and I sprayed the entire back end of my tractor. I let it soak for about 4 minutes and came back and hosed it off with just a regular water hose and a nozzle, squeeze nozzle. And it turned it completely all black, which is original paint. Everything's black, everything's clean, looks like new. So that's some good stuff alone right there. But I use this to thin this down. This is TRIAX Ultimate Washing Wax. This stuff smells like cherries or something. It smells delicious too. We got bananas and cherries. We got the whole fruit group going on here. But this in itself also leaves a good repellent finish. Water just rolls off like a duck's back on just this alone. But I used the Pro Degreaser and the Ultimate Washing Wax to make my own foam solution. And as you can tell, it did a great job cleaning my TYM T474. And that surface is just slick. Even with rubberized gloves on, it's just slicker than owl snot on frozen Teflon. I tell you, get you some, you won't be disappointed. Thanks.